Hey everybody, it's Ryan. This is a review and overview and a little detailed specs, if you will, on this Flexi dog walking leash. Probably not going to use this on a cat, but dog walking leash. I guess you could. If you're a dog, if you're a cat walker, you could use this. So first and foremost, you might be wondering, how exactly long is this? And so what I like to do is measure from the very tippity tip to this all the way to this, because that's where my hand is, so I have an idea how far it is. I don't like to measure to here. It's just me. So measure it out with the old handy dandy tape measure. It's 16 feet 9 inches tip to tip. Kind of give you an idea of how that works. You also have here an option of locking like this. So if you like to give your fur baby, as they call them, some length to work with, you can do that, and then you just pull it and it goes good to go. Pretty convenient. Kind of give you an idea of the clasp. The clasp, we'll call this. This thing has got so many years of use, it is astonishing. I am still in disbelief that it hasn't had any wear or tear or whatever. Multiple large dogs, I'd say upwards of 100 pounds, have been held tight with this. Current one is probably 70 pounds, actually greyhound. And so even with a greyhound, greyhounds, at least the ones we've had, aren't trying to pull this. They're actually pretty good walkers. But side note, but this thing is held up. Also you have this clasp here. This has not even phased. Sometimes a dog will chew on this here, and you really can't tell. I wouldn't advise that, so we kind of stop just to prevent that from happening. Sort of a ergonomic, that's how you call it, ergonomic grip right here. It retracts pretty good, and yeah, it's pretty solid. So I can just tell you from many years of use with large dogs that can pull like nobody's business. This thing is held up, it hasn't damaged the spring, and I'm actually, we can call it pleasantly surprised. Pleasantly surprised, and it does say made in Germany, so maybe they make good things there in Germany. I have absolutely no idea, but shout outs to the Flexi company. I think it says classic, it does say right here, classic tape 5mm, if that means anything. So hopefully that helps, and we'll talk to you soon.